Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to send a Google Calendar event using your email or Gmail application. So first, head into the email or Gmail app that you are using and then click the calendar icon here. Here you will see the calendar interface, but this is on a half view. Click the open in new tab in order for us to see our Google Calendar in a larger view. Now let's create an event. Click the create button and then select event. Let's name this as a new event. Then click the save. Now click the event again and then click the edit event. Here you will see add guest input box. We will be adding a guest or a person to invite in this event. Enter the email of this person. And then after entering it, click the save button and then click send. Now go back to this event again and then click the edit event. We can also add notes to this invitation. Let's say, and then click done. Now after doing this, click the save again. And it will send a notification or email to the other person that we just invited. Now let's check the email of this person if they received this. And as you can see, this is the invitation from us. That's how you can send Google Calendar invite on your email or Gmail, and thank you for listening.